Good morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Emerson and have with me today my receptionist, Stephanie, and this cute little chihuahua here's Johnny Pearl. And today we're going to talk about something that we see a lot in human society, and we're starting to see it more now in veterinary medicine associated with anxiety. We're actually going to be talking about canine bullying. Johnny lives in a home with two other chihuahuas, her brother and sister. One's name's Lovey and the other one's name's Rufus. Well, Lovey is what we call the dominant dog. So she is the dog that asserts herself as being the one who's the first to get the treats, the one the first to get to the food bowl, and sometimes Lovey was actually guarding the water bowl. And what the owners noticed after me sitting down and getting a really good history is that she would notice that when Lovey would walk in the room, Johnny Pearl would actually go to another area of the home and sit there and kind of shake. So this was actually adding to anxiety, and when Johnny Pearl starts to experience anxiety, she starts getting what we call GI distress. And there's several different diseases that can cause this type of issue with anxiety. One is inflammatory bowel, kind of like irritable bowel in people. Another one could be just an overgrowth of bad bacteria, and some other things can be dietary indiscretions, like if she ate some sort of treat she wasn't supposed to. But what we noticed after taking such a thorough history and me working with Johnny Pearl and the owner is that these episodes increased as the experiences she was having with Lovey, the other dog, increased. Now, I'm not talking about Lovey jumping on her and physically harming Johnny Pearl. I'm talking about growling or standing in a dominant position over her. So what we are now doing with Johnny Pearl is we actually have her on a medication. It's an anxiety medication known as Zilkine. Now, this is not a heavy antidepressant drug. All this drug is it's kind of like the hormone that you find in mother's milk, and it actually, Johnny Pearl takes it and it helps calm her system, so it helps her deal with the bullying that she's experiencing from the other dog. Another thing that we've done is we've put Adaptil in the room to help diffuse the room, to help access a pheromone that helps her relax. So the main point of this whole segment is to tell you, if you notice one of your dogs is having some bullying issues with another dog, maybe the other dog's not physically jumping on them, but you notice that the other dog's very uncomfortable in that situation with that dog, it may be best that when you're not home to have that other dog separated and only have them together when you're able to physically watch them. So yes, bullying is a problem in veterinary medicine, and if you think this is happening at your home, we can definitely help you with it and work it out where all your pets will have fun and be able to play together and won't experience as much anxiety. So give us a call today if you have any issues, and I promise your pets will thank you.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.